Okay, question number 5, maximum marked 6 points. Okay, the random variable x and y are normally distributed. Normally distributed with x follows the normal distribution and the mean is 7 and standard deviation is a. And then y follow the normal distribution mean 19 and standard deviation a squared, where a is greater than 0. Okay, notice that this x and y follows the normal distribution with a different mean but the same standard deviation, which means that the shape of this bell curve is exactly the same. A, find b such that probability that x is greater than b is exactly equal that probability y is greater than 22. So we can simply draw a bell curve for x and y. So x follows normal distribution, goes like this, and then mean is what? Mean is 7. 7 and standard deviation over here, right at the point of inflection is this is minus a, and 7 plus a. X follows this curve, and then y is another bell curve which shape exactly the same shape but the different mean. Now what mean of y is 19 and standard deviation minus a, 19 plus a is exactly the same. Question A, find the b such that probability x is greater than b is exactly same as probability y is greater than 22. So when y is greater than 22, I don't know where, somewhere over here. I don't know. Let's say this is 22. The probability y is greater than 22 is this portion. So notice that the distance from mean to y value is plus 3. So when probability when x is greater than b should be to have the same probability over here. This value also have to plus 3 from the mean value, which is that this point of b should be 7 plus 3 equals 10. So this is the answer for first question. Okay, write down the approximate value of p. Probability x is within 1 standard deviation. So when x is within 1 standard deviation, the probability of this portion. So b. So probability x is within 7 plus a and 7 minus a. Within this range is 1 standard deviation. The number is already known to us, which is 0.683. And then they want us to write it down to correct to 2 significant figures. So this can be written as 0.68 by 2 significant figures. Okay, question number C. Given that a equals 3 and calculate the approximate value of probability y is less than 22. Correct to 2 significant figure. So question number C, we draw it again. We know that y follow the standard deviation bell curve with the mean is 22 and standard deviation a is now 3. So now here is minus 3 is minus 19. Here is plus 3 is plus 20, not minus 19. So 22 minus 3 is over here is 19, plus 3 is 25 over here. So and then what we know that this portion is 0.68, and then they want us to find probability y is less than 22. So okay, probability y is less than 22 equal. So they want us to calculate from here all the way to here. What? Less than 22? Oh, I got it something wrong. Okay, not this one. The y mean value, what is mean value of y is 19, yeah? So 19 over here, plus 3, we got 22 over here, minus 3, we got 16 over here. So probability 1 is less than 22 is from the minus infinity to up to here. Yeah. So we know that this portion is already 0.5 here, and this portion from here to there is 0.68 of half of that, right? So the answer should be 0.5 plus 0.68 divided by 2 should be the answer. So this gives us a 0.5 plus 0.34 equal 0.84 should be the answer.